Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see the solution of a very annoying problem, and that is this error whenever you try to connect with the internet. It shows can't connect to the network or can't connect to this network. So how will we solve this? I'll tell you only one solution that might work for you. I'll go to control panel and click on the network and internet and go to network and sharing center. Now I'll click on change adapter settings. Now if you're using two Wi-Fi's like I am using right now, I'm using the USB Wi-Fi as well and my normal laptop Wi-Fi. So let's say that your laptop Wi-Fi is causing the problem. So Wi-Fi 1 is causing the problem, not Wi-Fi 3. So what I'll do is I'll select that particular Wi-Fi and just right click and go to properties and click on configure. Go to drivers. Firstly, try to update the driver. Now just make sure that you must connect to the internet to update the driver. If the Wi-Fi 1 is not working, you need to connect to Wi-Fi 3 and somehow connect to your internet and then click on update driver. So if the driver is already updated, then instead click on rollback driver. So maybe the previous driver works better. So just click on rollback driver and click OK and try to connect again. It should solve your problem in most of the cases. So let me know in the comments if this works. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.